very hectic schedule that my dad had. He always made it a point to have a family atmosphere. No? So, ano ba yung typical niya? Sunday's family outing way. So he always tried to have that. No? So, in times na regularly, no? Parang typical. Meron kayong mass, of course. After mass, eating out. No? Wala kami usually Chinatown. Tapos movie. So, parang ang person, in those times, kasi
How old are you during those times?
I was 12 when martial law was declared, so from 7 to 12, more or less, nasa recollection ko.
Dito martial law yun, Pat?
Tapos siguro nakakatawa mo rin dun, it's a very devoted parent, in a sense, no? I mean, very specific. Yeah. I don't think I should qualify that, They were very, and they are still, no? At least for my mother, so family is devoted parents. So, ano bang typical sa isang nanay o tatay, di ba? Kung anong gusto ng bata, siyempre gusto mo ibigay, huwag matapuan, alam mo, kung gano'n ito, pero kailangan conscious ka rin, kaysa ma-spoil naman. So, nung bata, medyo, nakikita mo na overflowing yung pag-ibig, well, I'll give you a for instance. There's one time, I asked that permission to watch a movie. So, bibigyan ka pansin, dahil grade school.
Ateneo?
Ateneo. So, paalam ko sa tumawin muna, tapos umalik sa mami. Tamad mo rin ang dahil. Pero sabi ko lahat, pansin ka pati, kailangan kasama ka. Usually yung Ateneo, whatever, basta may kasama kong nakakatanda. Binigyan na ako ng mami actually, ng pansin. Tapos, yung paalam ko, dahil mo lang dahil, paalam ako sa ma'am, hindi ako sino. Wala, sa Manila. Tapos yung paalam ako, binibigyan naman niya ng pansinin. Sa akin, binigyan na ako ng mami. Binigyan ka naman ng mami. Kukunti ba ulit. Pero yung parang ito mo parang gusto niya ibigay na sa'yo. Sige, isoli mo na yung sukle or whatever. Yung, anti-use mga more sa materials yung before master lang. There was one time in particular. Ito mo parang nag-contrasting na, yung going na, yung had a trip out of town. I was supposed to spend vacation, I think about a week or so in Tarlac. So, dinaan niya ako accompany the plane then, So, pag dating doon, and Tarlac kasi siya, and I'm a kid.
Ano summer?
Summer, no? At our hometown, and I had others there who I was supposed to stay with, etc. Everything was taken care of na. So, mami ko binigyan pa akong pocket money, at that time, 20 bucks, I think, mga more or less 20 bucks, At yung nilibing na rin ko ang age ko, this was in the 60s, yung 20 bucks went a long way, more or less. So, ang pagdawin yung 20 ngayon, sa palisan ng dad, my dad hardly brought cash, yung those days, checks, wala akong credit card masyado, marami siyang checks. So, the little that pocket money that he had, sabi niya, eto, baka may kakailanganin ka. Yung point dito, bibilang candy or something like that, in the 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks period, I won't ask from anybody else. Sabi ko, dad, binigyan ako ng mami. Parang, I guess pinag-usapan na beforehand huwag i-spoil. So gusto nilang bawiin, actually siya gustong bawiin, parang pili niya, kailangan niyang bawiin dahil sobra-sobra. At the same time, ayaw naman bawiin, hindi, sige, kuri-kuri, gano'n, So, eventually, iniwan na niya sa akin. The following day, bumalik siya. Tapos sinusundo na ako. Sabi ko dahil, sabi na parang pwede, 10 days yata or so. 10 days holiday, dahil swimming, horseback riding, mga ganun. Bakasyon na sa probinsya. Hindi na tayo ngayon. Yung may reason, to be playing practical jokes. So, iiwaw mo ba ako? Kahit nakita hindi mo gumosa. Ang sabi ko sa Facebook mo, nagpalala yung baleta ko. Tapos uwi na tayo. Tayo nga binibiro lang ito. Parang gano'n, no? Parang hindi na ako sure. Hanggang nag-take ko, patiniwala na ako. Tapos there was one time Baguio. I think it was our last day, Kung hindi, second to the last day.
Second to the last day.
We had come from Mass. That vacation. Hindi ko malala Holy Week yata Parang hindi Holy Week. Basta doon sa vacation. And we were up in Baguio. Tapos, he was very fond of riding horses. So there was one, riding horses. When I was younger, no? Well, yung aftermath, nung pauwi na, di ba nagsasara rin, siyempre, umuwi na yung mga medalo ng kabayan sa Burnham Park siguro, o Wright Park Wright Park probably. And nung nakita daw si horse, yung color tawag ng pinto, parang ba si Indian, yung dapol, yung white and brown usually. Gusto mo sumakay? Ako pwede pa? Ano nga? So, bago. So, tinawag mo sa uta, tapos pwede mo ba? Pwede mo. So, sinakay. Tapos siguro all watching me lang. My sister is included, my mother and my father. Tapos yung tsaka sa kanya naman, yung parang operating principle niya as far as time is concerned. Yung, kung pwede, do everything as yung should have been done yesterday. Pati sa paglakad ka, kung naglalakad ka, lahat kami nung parang more or less napapatakbo na sa bilis ng lakad. Talagang always on the go rush, Yung I used to remember his schedule kasi was 2 pages na yung ordinary na bond paper. Pero parang impression ko from 7 until 1 or 2 in the morning, patong-patong yung schedule, pati yung lunch and everything. I don't remember there was allowance for travel time, Basta parang every hour of the day. From 67, Senator. Kaya napunta ko siyempre yung governor. So, ang point dito, yung in hindsight, titin sa mga, laking bagay na rin. So, I think mga 30 minutes rin yata ako nakakabayan. Kaya halika na. Sabi ko, sayo na, bibili ko na. Kaya halika. Okay, kaya, thank you. Tapos yung, parang kasi he would try to imbue yung mga attitudes. Parang inaalala niya. Puro babae yung kapatid ko. Baka influence ko, magiging on the feminine side. Central Luzon kami. At di ba, yung time yun, medyo magulo yung central on the height of Dahok, So that was one, bagyo na naman Yung the family meron sa family car So yung family car, yung sinasakay namin usually, kapag sa kamang pupunta, bus, etc. School. Pero hindi normal na doon ka suwasakay. May bagong to yun na may Kennedy na jeep. Tapos gusto niya i-akit ng Baguio. So, pasakay na ako siyempre sa family car. Dahil doon kami sumasakay pa. Sabi, saan pupunta? Sabi ko, Dad, may araw mo, let's go na. Sasakay na ako sa kotse. Tapos sabi, hindi, dito ka, sumama ka sa akin. Saan tayo sasakay, Dad? Doon sa jeep. Tapos nabi sa jeep. Sabi ko, bakit tayo sasakay, Dad? Walang pintuan. Baka mahulog kayo. Parang gano'n. Small kid talaga Tapos ang ginawa niya, inupo niya ako, yung side towards, he was in the middle. May driver, tapos yung extra seat, siya nasa loob, ako yung palabas. Okay? So, tapos sabi ko, being triare niya, sabi ko, around my waist, sabi ko, Dad, baka mahulog ako dito. So, tinutulak-tulak na ako konti. Pero actually, nakatayang sa clearly, Tapos yung i-release na ko na, baka mahulog na. Dad, baka mahulog ako dito. Sabi, kakakikipagbulo, the whole trip, Wala pa yata yung North Expressway, kakaumpisa pa lang yata doon time. Tapos yung, at one point, we stopped It was evening na. Tapos I looked at the radiator, later on, I knew that was the radiator. At punong-puno ng insects, sabi ko, mukhang nasira na. Nilipat na kami doon sa kaan na may pintuan. Di pa puto rin ako doon. Sabi ko, saka pupunta. Kaya ka, Dad, mukhang sira na yun Dito na tayo. Tapos sabi ko, ngayon pa kailangan kita, iiwan mo. Tapos hindi kita iiwan, pero bakit naman kita iiwan ako? Di sumama ka sa akin, dito tayo sa kaan. Pero yung pressure ngayon, wala na, tumigilod dahil punong-puno ng insects kaya yung radiator. Parang wala nang bakal. Parang magpalaburo actually. Pero kasi pag disiplinaryan. Okay. Tapos masang parang ang feeling ko rin, every time na magkakain, parang meron ako meron akong type na parang siguro lahat kami happy every time may gano'n Tapos yung pag-uwi siya late na. So, tulong ng mga katulong para may hain sa kanya. Lutos kumain, bibili siya dati usually siomay or sopaw sa bamon or boat, Tsaka yung mami. Tapos
siomay, mami.
So,